Good morning, everybody. Let's have a look at some of these charts. Mostly Bitcoin, so it was a very quiet stream last night. I can understand why. Price action is basically boring as hell. And we moved up towards the top of this range, basically a death cross retest overnight on the 4-hourly, so we managed to hit 110,500. Instantly rejected all the way back down to the bottom of the range. $107,000 is where we are right now, which is technically just ever so slightly below the range that I would consider to be support. So we are going down below support now. So I think it's very likely we hit 105 to maybe 103,400 before we turn around on this one. Again, the 4 hours not got any bullish divergence on it in the slightest. We were relatively hot, although it wasn't overheated on the money flow index last night. So pullback is fine. A pullback of this size, again, it's not massive, is it? I mean, but we're talking structure of a range. It is so far down 3% in the last 8 hours. So you're looking for this to continue. 105 to 103. So if we move over to the monthly, what we see is the 10 exponential on the monthly, obviously because it's a new month now, being November. The 10 exponential is at 103,000. So that would be a support based on the very, very, very high term time frames. You can see wicks below that, no problem. You've got your 50 simple moving average. Excuse me, still got a bit of a cold here. 50 simple moving average at around 103,000 and the exponential at 101,300. You've got your bullish divergence and basically hidden bullish divergence lurking around there on the weekly. And then if you think about this, which is your previous low wick, which is 103,500, a lot of stuff goes on around 103. So 103, well, we'll say 101, 103, and 105. Given that it looks as though we're about to break 107, I think it's appropriate to call those out and look for those on the chart. Now, US 500, the pre-market to S&P, we saw the bounce and continuing the bounce until we've broken above 6,879. The bounce can get rejected. Bollinger Band Center, 65% chance of rejection, 70% chance of reversal here or from here. So you've got bullish trend line, basically bullish trend, with a bearish resistance. Once this area is reclaimed, it should just be back up and away, really. We don't have too much of an issue with that at all. That's basically it. Again, just trying to make out that the market's a super bullish market in the short term is that's not accurate, but I still think it's a bullish market. So yeah, 101, 103, 105, bounce-a-roo, back up to 112, 117, maybe higher, very quickly. But as of this very moment in time, it does look like those are the three areas that we should keep our eyes peeled on. If we start breaking down below 100, I think that is it. That is it. But for now, it is not. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.